Hi, Paul.
Hello there, Dee.
We're about to do a past life workshop.
Yeah, well, I love doing these past life workshops. They're group progressions, really, to go into our past lives, but there's such good opportunities to go into our soul memory of other lives that we've lived, and doing them in our small groups as we do in our workshops. It's a great chance for you not only to experience your own soul memories, but you can be a witness to other people as well. And the theme that we're doing this Saturday is about conflict and learning from conflict. And
Mhm.
that's quite an interesting topic, isn't it, Dee?
Yeah, it really is because that's a part of life, isn't it? That we eventually do come across situations and confrontations where conflict just naturally happens.
Yes, well, I guess it's really our souls choose to be on earth because, yes, there's certainly lots of conflict that occurs on earth. And we just to take our times to try to resolve these conflicts, find peace, and work out all sorts of things. But I guess what happens with conflicts, yes, we do have other people or armies or whatever it is, but it's like a measure of what we're tending to do with how our soul wants to grow. And when there is a little bit of a clash between that, when there's kind of rubbing up between what we want, which is more our ego, and where our soul wants to go, that's when there is often conflict.
And also, wouldn't you say, Paul, that there could be dynamics of behavior that the soul can kind of, you know, develop and perhaps not move past when it comes to conflict resolution?
Well, that's true, yes. Well, I know from doing lots of past life work that there's some souls that get caught up in warrior after warrior after warrior lives. We're
Mm.
just sort of going with the adrenaline of victory and fighting and
Might is right.
yes, I am stronger than this other person, and it's
It
completely
is.
meaningless, and just futility after a while. So souls have to learn that.
Mm.
But there are other more subtle forms of conflict that can come about too, and it's really very intricate with for a lot of us with our soul growth, how we can work through that and how we can learn from that. And so, yes, in this workshop, you can get a chance to perhaps go into two or maybe three lives where this has been a theme and where you've perhaps learned something or been confronted with something, and that all of this may also be there to help you in your life today.
Mm. It's going to be a really interesting workshop. And can you remind me again when this workshop is on and for our friends at home?
Yes, of course. So this workshop, nice early start for you Aussies. It's going to be for the Australian Eastern Standard Time about 8 o'clock in the morning on Saturday to launch into your past lives. Or if you're in the UK, it'll be about 8 o'clock at night or 9 o'clock at night, 9 o'clock actually,
On the Friday.
on the Friday night, yes, the night before. And it will be quite a late evening, really, but worth it to do something like this. But we're also tailoring this workshop for our friends in the USA and Canada, because this workshop will be suitable for those of you living there, and that will be more Friday afternoon when you can do this workshop. And we'd be love to have some of you come and join us.
Yeah, that'd be really great. And if you have any questions about what time it would be running in your neck of the woods, just drop us a message or a comment below, and hopefully we'll see you soon.
See you soon, and look forward to doing some more regression work.
Mhm. Bye now.